Hello friends and welcome back to the regular channel. So friends, today I will talk about Ocypus new Gamma C72 Panoramic View PC case. So friend, Ocypus announced a new panoramic view case. Gamma C72 experienced the peak panoramic view case with column-free design, providing a better way to showcase the interior and top and side panel feature airflow optimized perforation pattern to enhance airflow throughout and combined with the abundant component mounting location for high-end assembly and meeting the various requirements of different scenarios and the case board column-free panoramic view eliminating obstructive structural support and offering an unbusted view of high-end internal components and weather showcasing custom liquid cooling loops and RGB lighting and premium hardware and user can now display their build without compromise. Engineered with optimized airflow design and the chassis ensure efficient thermal management across all components and strategically future and the radiator capacity of top panel support up to 360 mm and capacity for up to 10 fans in total and keep your system cool, quiet and running at peak performance even under heavy loads and designed to meet the latest hardware with clever space layout supporting up to 425 mm GPU installation in LAN and ensuring compatibility with flagship graphics card and PSU clearance of 250 mm and providing flexibility for high voltage power supply. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.